Hello students, today we will discuss about essay on fight against global warming. Global warming क्या है? Due to the excessive use of coal and petroleum products for rapid industrialization has adversely affected the presence of atmosphere. This has caused an alarming increase in the temperature of the earth. This unusual and alarming increase in the earth's temperature is called global warming. First, the destructive changes in temperature. The destructive changes in temperature and rainfall from the North Pole to the South Pole have drawn the attention of the environmental scientists of the world. They have expressed their sense of urgency for the fight against global warming, failing which future generations would be badly hit. Next, the setting up of IPCC. In order to study the destructive changes in environment and launch a vigorous fight against global warming and create awareness among people, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC was set up in 1988. This panel comprises 3,000 atmospheric scientists, ice specialists, economists, and experts in various other environmental issues. It is the world's top scientific authority on global environmental changes. R.K. Pachauri, who has been awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2007, is the chairman of IPCC. The Nobel Committee cited that Pachauri was awarded the highest honor of the world for his efforts to build up awareness and disseminate greater knowledge on man-made climate change issues and for laying the foundation for the measures to be taken to counter such change. Next, the melting of ice in the Arctic region. Both the poles, north and south, are the complicated systems of ice, water, and land, and both the poles have started responding to global warming. The Arctic region consists of a vast ice-covered ocean surrounded by treeless, frozen ground. Life in the Arctic includes organisms living in the ice, fish and marine mammals, birds, lands, animals, the human societies. The Arctic region is a unique area among Earth ecosystems. The culture in the region and the Arctic indigenous peoples have adapted to its cold and extreme conditions. In climate change research, an Arctic region is often considered as an early warning system for the planet. It is reported that the Arctic ice is shrinking. It is also clear that the climate change from the build-up greenhouse gases was playing a role in the Arctic warming, which is seen not only in the floating ice but also in the melting terrestrial ice sheets, tundra and warming seawater, the shrinking of more than 1 million square miles of the cap of floating sea ice on the Arctic Ocean under summer warmth is a cause for worry. Next, causes of global warming. The basis causes for the global warming are the emission of greenhouse gases due to much industrialization in the West and the air, and water pollution in both the developed and developing economies of the world. Due to the excessive use of coal and petroleum products, or rapid industrialization has adversely affected the presence of water vapors, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, and nitrous in the Earth's atmosphere. This has caused an alarming increase in the temperature of the Earth. This unusual and alarming increase in the Earth's temperature is called global warming. Next, harmful effects of global warming. On account of global warming, the nature's balance is disturbed. Consequently, the hot winds have started blowing in the cold countries, and the walls of snow are falling from the valley in the hot places like Dubai. It has adversely affected the production in fields and also the sources of water. The big glaciers lying in the Himalayas, the Alpines, and other high mountains of the world have started melting rapidly on account of ice. In the Arctic region, the level of seawater may rise and drown the coastal cities on account of rapid melting of mountains glaciers. The sources of river water may get dry soon. It may also adversely affect the production of food items and cause hardship in getting plentiful drinking water. It may also affect the tourism industry, particularly in the coastal areas. The global warming would discourage tourists to visit the coastal resorts and tourist places, because in these places the temperature would be 3 times higher than the average. Next, warming by scientists. The environmental scientists have issued a warning that if sufficient funds are not made available to develop green technology in order to check the threat of global warming, the doomsday for the earth is not far away. The threat of global warming is more serious than that of terrorism, and it demands the immediate attention of the whole world in order to ensure adequate food and drinking water for every human being in coming years. The oil producing countries have therefore declared the allocate $30 million to develop green technology, because these countries are more responsible for the emission of harmful gases from their oil wells and oil refineries. But the efforts of OPEC would not win any fruits unless and until the United States takes an initiative in this matter, because it is this country which emits greenhouse gas more than any other country. It is well known that the record of the United States with regard to its fight against global conference held in Brazil in 1992 agreed to fight against global warming. Thereafter, Kyoto Protocol came in 1997, but the United States has paid not heed to it so far. The American administration is not prepared to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, because it would adversely affect her economic growth and development. Next, Bali Summit. In December 2007, delegates from 190 countries gathered in will to reach an agreement over global warming so that the nations are able to do their homework for the next climate meet in Denmark in 2009. The validity of the Kyoto Protocol, which mandates industrialized country to cut green of the house gas emissions by an average of 5.2% below 1990 levels by 2010 runs out in 2012. The predictor to Celsius rise in global temperature over the next century as a result of rise in CO2 and other GHGs like methane in the atmosphere. The Valley Summit has created some room for optimism. Australia has endorsed Kyoto Protocol. China has agreed to join in optimism. Australia has endorsed Kyoto Protocol. China has agreed to join the fight against global warming. The United States may also agree to a cut in the GHG emissions anytime. Building low carbon economics is an important part of any strategy to combat climate change.